negative book, a very, very strong sell side book. So let's see them coming out to play. Let's see them stopping the market. And then all of a sudden, a big yellow Baltic, a big green block, a big iceberg order hits the market right there. And then you sell it. We go 77 to 67. We make $500 per contract. And it's so obvious. It's not just obvious when you look at this chart. It's obvious if you just draw some straight lines. It's obvious when you start recognizing how much buy-side delta was involved in that whole accumulation process. Because this isn't one trade by the institutions. This is their selling here. All of that is selling by the institutions. All of that. It's not this, it's not this, it's not this, or this. It's all of those trades, every single one of them. And because of that, this becomes the very, very obvious accumulation by the institutions. Your job is to find one of these to lean against, or two of them, or three of them to lean against. Get the lean on, get the trade on, and then start whacking off the trade off these top lines, and then perhaps even going for this failed auction BSG squeeze for the continuation sell trade. There's obviously some real money liquidity being added in here at 67s. Not really surprising. We've came off of 77, so we've gone a full $500 at least into that area. So you're always watching for that taking place. So there's some real buyers coming in at 67. The price stopped in its tracks at 67. Because if the price trades one tick above a level and the level doesn't pull, that's a real buyer. If the price gets to within one tick and the price doesn't pull, it's a real money bid. If it's a real money bid, guys, you should pay attention to it. And what's happened since this screenshot, it's went 67s to 70s again. It's came off that 67 price. It's traded back up to 70. Real money bids right there. You can see it. It's real. Price is traded right to that price and it's still there. How good's that sell on bonds doing, guys, from earlier? Pretty good. Pretty good. It's all right. It's all right, mate. Now, for completeness, I haven't just been selling this price. I've been selling the whole top edge. I've not been selling a single individual print. I've been selling lots of prints. So for completeness, this was my oil selling. We'd sold on this uptick here, we got a sell-off. I sold on this uptick here, we got a sell-off. We sold on this uptick here, got a sell-off. And then there was one final last one, which I haven't marked yet. We sold on this uptick here, and we got a sell-off. So I've been selling this all the way through this move higher. Sell side once out, sell side twice out, sell side 3 times out, sell side 4 times, big sell-off. And obviously coming into the Treasury refunding, just had to be careful with it, but we were down here by the time that announcement came out, so we were in good shape. It's unlikely to go against us in that sense. And yeah, a very nice, easy money trade outcome for anybody that was on board with me. I like your style. I like your style. Making some good monies. Sell side